Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just joking. So you might be wondering what happened, right? So I've been out of circulation for the last couple of days. I had some news. I wouldn't say they're bad news or good news. That's just news in general. I got an appendicectomy last week on Wednesday. I was having some very abrupt and sudden pains of my abdomen, and I went to the hospital. They saw that the appendix was not doing well, and they had to take it out. So yeah, I'm in recovery right now. As you can see, I'm laying down because it's very painful to be standing up or sitting down for a long period of time. So I was discharged on Friday, and I've been just resting this last couple of days. I'm probably gonna be out of circulation for the next couple of days. So our videos that I truly miss, I miss you guys. I miss uploading more content for you. We'll have to wait just a little bit. So as soon as I feel a little bit better, I'll start recording again. We'll go back into schedule. We'll do more projects, more tips, more tricks, and everything. So thank you guys for waiting, for your patience, and I'll see you back on the next one. Bye bye.